Hello my friends, this is Raisa and I am in my shack, but all my ham radio equipment, included my transceiver, are off. What does it mean? It means that I am going to be on the air remotely from Canada, and I will use my new Canadian call sign, Victor Oscar 1 Bravo India Golf, at the first time, and I'm very excited and happy of it. And I also will participate in the wonderful event, and the signal will go on the air from the Signal Hill in Newfoundland, Canada. Exactly in this place, 121 years ago, Marconi received the first transatlantic radio signal. Let's go!
This is Victor Oscar 1 America special event station celebrating Marconi's first transatlantic reception, QRZ. Okay, the YL. Who's the YL, over?
Victor Oscar 1 Bravo India Golf stroke Victor Echo 3.
Yeah, QSL Raisa. QSL Raisa. This is Jim, WB2REM at the mic, VO1REM. Nice to work you, and congratulations on your license.
Jim, thank you very much. I'm also glad to hear you, and thank you very much for your congratulations. I'm very happy to have my first QSO with my Canadian call sign.
Okay. Raisa, большое спасибо за QSO. Congratulations. Всего доброго. 6 лет я буду рад слышать вас снова на Аризоне. 73 удачи. До встречи. Пока-пока.
Пока-пока. Спасибо.